Hello, welcome back to Alina's Spanish. Today we are going to talk about an important verb in Spanish, Verb Gustar. Also, I will tell you about the verbs encantar and odiar. So let's get started. This video will be divided in two sections. In the first one, I will tell you everything you need to know about the verb gustar in Spanish, and in the second part I will tell you about verbs encantar and odiar. And after the theoretical part we are going to train a little bit with an exercise. Here we go. So firstly, verb gustar is the verb that is always used with the pronouns in dative. Let's start with them. Now you will see a table. One part is red. It's not necessary part. You can use it or you can skip it. And the second part is obligatory. A mí, me. A ti, te. A él, a ella, le. A nosotros, nos. A vosotros, os. A ellos, les. Usted is also le, ustedes, les. As you can see, when we want to say le, so do we mean a él or a ella? So he or she likes it. Exactly for such situations, we need this first table. When we say le gusta, we don't understand she likes it or he likes it or it likes it. To mention that, we would use the first form. A ella le gustan las tartas de chocolate. A él le gustan los helados diferentes. Also, instead that first part of the column, we can use names or nouns. For example, a María instead of a ella. A María le gusta el chocolate. Or, instead of a nosotros nos gusta, a Juan y a mí nos gusta el chocolate. So the first column of the table is not necessary. We use it when we want to provide more information. And the second table is always next to the verb gustar. And what about the conjugation? When we use gustar, it's not like in English. It's more that the thing that you like is liked. Or it's always the object or the person that we like is completing the action. So for example, when I say me gusta el helado, it's not me who is doing the action, but it's helado. It's the ice cream, me gusta. It does the action of being liked by me. Or me gustan las casas grandes. So it's always las casas who do the action. That's why me gustan. It might sound a little bit confusing, so let's take a look at the conjugation. If I'm liked by someone, I would use gusto. Le gusto a Juan, yo le gusto a Juan. If it's you, that you are liked by someone, you would say tú te gustas a Julia. Or for example, if I like you, I would say me gustas tú. But it's not very common, so we are going to remember the most common forms is gusta and gustan. When do we use them? verb gustar can be used with singular nouns like manzana, mesa, casa, everything in singular, and with the verbs pasear, correr, nadar. In these two cases, we use gusta. For example, me gusta nadar, me gusta pasear, me gusta comer chocolate. Or examples with the singular nouns, me gusta el chocolate, me gusta el arroz. Then we can also use verb gustar with plural nouns. And then we use gustan. For example, me gustan las flores rojas. Me gustan las casas con piscinas. Me gustan los jardines verdes. So these are the cases. I can imagine it was a bit of information, so let's sum it up. Gusta with verbs and singular nouns. Gustan with plural nouns. Next to gustar, there is always a pronoun in dative. Me, te, le, nos, os, les. It's always there to indicate to whom. And there is also other type of pronouns, a mí, a ti, a él, and so on. This is not necessary. You can use this to put an emphasis on the pronouns. You can also change it and use nouns or names, but it's not obligatory. So let's see some examples. Me gusta correr. ¿A ti te gusta nadar? ¿Le gusta pasear? ¿Nos gustan las flores? ¿Os gusta París? ¿Les gusta España? ¿Y a ti qué te gusta? Let me know in the comments below. And now we are going to the second section where we are going to talk about the verbs encantar and odiar in Spanish. Firstly, we can talk about encantar. Encantar is to adore, and it works in the same way as the verb gustar. So you will have the pronouns, the first group that you don't have to use, just if you need to put an emphasis, and the second obligatory group. It always comes with encantar as well. And there can be different forms. For example, on tú, I can say me encantas, tú me encantas. But the most common cases are with encanta and encantan, like with gustar. And we use them in the same way. Encanta with verbs and singular nouns. Me encanta cantar. Me encanta la pasta. And then me encantan with plural nouns. For example, me encantan los animales. We use it when we really like, when we adore something. And by the way, if we like something very much, we can use mucho after gustar. We can say me gusta mucho. For example, me gusta mucho la música clásica. But me encanta is the highest point, so there is no me encanta mucho. And now let's talk about odiar. Odiar means to hate, and it is way simpler to use than me encanta or me gusta. Odiar is a simple verb that we just conjugate like hate in English. So let's start with the conjugation. Yo odio, tú odias, él, ella odia, nosotros odiamos, vosotros odiáis, ellos odian. Odio we can use with the verbs, the singular nouns, and the plural ones. Let's see the examples. Odio levantarme temprano. Tú odias las ciudades. Él odia el café. Nosotros odiamos la lluvia. Vosotros odiáis la leche. Ellos odian correr. And let me know, is there something that te encanta and something that odias? Okay, that was the theoretical part. I hope you find it useful. If you still have any questions regarding these verbs, let me know in the comments below. And now, let's practice a bit. In the first exercise, we are going to practice the verb gustar. Here, you will see different words, nouns, verbs, singular, plural forms, and you will need to choose where do we use me gusta and where me gustan. You can pause the video and the answers will appear in 3, 2, 1. Muy bien hecho, buen trabajo. Now let's practice with encantar and odiar. This exercise is a little bit more difficult. You see a couple of sentences that have some mistakes. Can you find these mistakes and correct them? The answers are here in Genial! Thank you for your hard work. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope to see you soon.